videos. I make these videos to show you the raw reality of somebody in their 20s that doesn't work a job, that works for themselves, trying to make a name for themselves. I think it would close at 21 for the profit. I'll just close it right there, 21.50. That's at the high. Damn near close enough. There we go. I worked hard for this. I worked hard as shit to be in this position. I'm not gonna let it go to waste because I chase money. Congratulations on becoming a top self-funded trader. Another one just like that. Okay, that was, I think I did the job. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back. Today's Tuesday. I always got to look at the day because honestly, every day it's the same thing. I wake up, I trade, I wake up, I work, I go to the gym. That's really it. And I rinse, repeat, edit videos, make videos, try to give value, trade. It's all the same stuff every single day. But welcome back. Hopefully everybody's having a great morning. Today, we're going to try to get some money. Today, I'm trying to catch one good trade. I'm tired of taking 2 trades, having to take 3 trades to get a good trade. No, I want to take one good trade. That's all I'm looking at. That's all I'm looking for. But we'll see if we get it. Not every day we get what we want. Majority of the time, we don't get what we want. We get what we get, and we don't get upset type shit. But it is 9:24. We're about to get active with the VIP Trader Network. We're about to see what we could do. Overall, we're up for the week. So regardless of what happens today, we're in profit. So let's just get straight with the team. Definitely more on the long side though, especially if you could get this retracement before we run that previous high. That's what I want to see, so I can use that as a target. We getting a retrace. I ain't gonna lie, I like these first longs. We gonna see. First trade, we gonna see what happens. I'm gonna wait for it to go into it though. I like longs on 30 at the 4-hour gap. And that's already push. That's what I like to see. Let me get this retrace though. Retrace to the 4-hour gap, 50-point stop loss target in the previous high is what I want to see. I need it to come to the gap though so I can get my full 50 points. The wicks yesterday was outrageous. 30 didn't really tap into the area. It came close, but it didn't give me the entry as I would have wanted. Took the longs. Longs at the 4-hour gap. Let's see if these could hold up. Targeting the previous day's high, ideally. 50-point stop loss. I think that's cool for a first trade. If it drops that low, then shit. I would want to see it keep dropping at that point. I'm not trying to take my first trade as an L. That's been the same scenario all week. Now, yeah, we got it, but this shit volume. Like it hit my TP before I even seen the candle. Now, yeah, TP1 just got hit. There we go. Whew. It's a TP1? Yeah, it is, but it's just like real, like the delay is crazy from the price versus where it is. Come on, we about to hit TP2 though. That's TP2 hit. Yes, sir. Yeah, I want the high. The high is ideal. Just add it. Position at the 1-hour gap right here. Let's see. Worst comes to worst, I can only lose 1 trade with the risk that I'm risking. Best case, TP is at the previous day's high. We'll have a smooth little trade. But it's still early, it's only 10:11. If it's anything like tomorrow, not tomorrow, if it's anything like yesterday, this shit won't play out till 11:12. Let's get that previous day's high. Come on. Come on. Now that re-entry was a smooth entry though. Look at that. Both entries were great. It looks like we about to hit it. But best case for y'all with the shorts is once it hits this previous day's high, I can get out and 10 o'clock to turn to a wick. Come on. Come on. Couple more points. Run that previous day's high. Cam out. Don't create another wick. Just run the high and then create a wick. I think it will close at 21. For the profit. I'll just close it right there, 21.50. That's at the high. Damn near close enough. There we go. That was a great trade. The entry of it, plus the re-entry, took some time. Took about 3 2-hour candles, but it played. And this is about to be the final decision for the day. You can see we got another account. We did it. We got another funded account. Now we just gotta pay the credentials for the day. We ended at 21.20. Let's go. Yeah, just showing the VIP team and everything, the trade that I called, and also that it passed the challenge. over here, you can see everything in the actual one. You can see 106,772, which is passed. We made 2112 for the day, which is an amazing day. I don't think they're gonna send me the email yet. I'll probably have to wait a couple hours, but then I'm just gonna pay the 150, get the account activated. And now we got 200K funded accounts, and that was just in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, we passed. So this second account, I didn't really show you guys too many of the trades, but essentially I was just risking $1,000 per day, $500 per trade, taking 2 to 3 trades a day, aiming for 1 to 2. And I passed the challenge in 3 days. I won $2,000. I won 2,600 yesterday, and then I got 2,100 today, which ended up passing with about 6,700 in profit. So it is what it is. I wasn't looking to take time on the count. I wasn't really looking to risk a little bit to make a lot, or risk a little bit to make a little bit to overall pass in like a month. No, I just wanted to get over with, add the capital so I can consistently start trading it consistently, be able to get to that 30 days on multiple accounts. I want to get to that 30 days in profit so that I can actually withdraw whenever I want. And now I got 2 accounts that I can merge to even have more money to risk. That's all that matters. But we're about to get the rest of our day going. It's already 11 o'clock. It was a little bit of a long day. I'll keep you guys updated with the Top Step email, and I'll just show you guys that. But it was a good day. We about to go wash the car, get this shit nice and clean, the inside clean. One thing I always want to give you a little tip on, to make your life feel better, to make it feel like you have a better life than you really do, keep the small things upkept. What do I mean by keeping the small things upkept? By keeping the small things upkept, I simply mean that as keeping your car clean, getting a haircut, making sure that you feel good, working out, eating good, doing the little things that are gonna build your confidence. Your confidence is gonna allow you to have the abilities. Your confidence is gonna allow you to do things you didn't think were possible. It's gonna allow you to do things you didn't think you could do. And it's all from the mind. It's all your belief. It's all subconscious at the end of the day. One book I would give you guys to read is Read the Subconscious Mind. It's a really good book. You can even listen to the audiobook. I'm more of an audiobook person myself. I don't really like to read as much. I way rather listen to it. Hence why I make videos like this, because you can also use this as a kind of an audiobook podcast if you're just listening to it. The visuals on these vlogs aren't really as important, except for maybe like the trades itself, like the one I called out this morning. But other than that, audio and knowledge is that's all I really need. So it might be all you need. But we about to go get this car clean. I'll see you guys when we get to all right, we in here. He cleaning, he's spraying it, but while I'm in here, I wanted to talk to you guys because this is something that's happened to me this morning. I woke up and I looked at my DMs on Instagram, and a company has sent me a DM regarding a sponsorship opportunity. I'm not gonna say the company name or anything because I don't know if I'm 100% gonna do it or not. I don't wanna promote or sponsor anybody that their values and their company and brand beliefs don't align with mine. That's not me. Loud as shit. But I'm not gonna do nothing that doesn't align with my beliefs at the end of the day. I'm not gonna do it just for some money. I should have known this was gonna be loud. But yeah, I would never sell you guys out just for a little bit of money. It doesn't make no sense. I'm mainly just gonna do research on their platform and everything, do research on their brand to make sure everything aligns. This just loud as shit. I'll talk to you guys when I get out there. All right, so we just cleaned the car. I just showed you guys a little preview of the clean whip. But as I was saying before, the loud ass car wash was interrupting me and my brakes started interrupting me. I'm not gonna take no sponsorship. I'm not gonna do anything that's gonna basically ruin my relationship with you guys, because at the end of the day, there's no amount of money that will lead me to do you guys wrong. No amount. Because at the end of the day, I've worked hard for this. I worked hard as shit to be in this position. I'm not gonna let it go to waste because I chase money. No. If there's one thing I've learned from trading, if there's one thing I learned from entrepreneurship, making money in general, you never make more money by chasing money. You gotta chase value, chase respect, chase giving people more than what they came for. People need to understand that. Money only goes so long. Money comes and goes, but the relationships you build, the inspiration you give people, the value you give people, that's forever, bro, forever. So I'm gonna do some research on the company nonetheless, because if it makes sense, then I'm all for it. If it's a good company, it has a good brand, and there's not a lot of things going on that could affect you guys, then I'm all for it. Yo, so tell me why I'm driving right now. Right now, my girl's over here. You probably can't really see it, but she's getting tacos right now. Bro, I just got pulled over. I got pulled over for my nut-ass tags. My tags were expired, but it's all good. Fuck them tags. It's crazy. You know why it's crazy? Because this morning, I renewed everything. It's not crazy. The day I renew it is the day I get pulled over. Ain't that some shit? But listen, I'm not mad. It is what it is. It was meant to be at that point. But right now, we about to get some food, then we about to head downtown, just overall chill for the day, get some content for you guys, and just enjoy life, enjoy the sunny weather. The fact that I can even do this on a Tuesday is amazing. The fact that I can come here and get food, I made some money today. I made like so far $200 aside from trading for the day. So far, it's only 3 o'clock. And so far with the trading day, we passed the 100K account, and we made about 20, what was it? It was about 2,100? 2,100, I think it was. I don't know the exact number. I forget what it was, 2,130, something like that. But it's been a great day overall. But like I said, we about to get some tacos. I'll show you guys the food, and then I'll show you guys downtown once we get there. Day 2 at the building. What is this? This is the condos, or is this Sky House?
It's the condo.
Sky House is the condos? Nah, Sky House is the one. Ah, Sky Point. That makes sense. I see what everyone be talking about, glasses. Let's see. So all right, we'll do that after. We'll go over here and look around. Good little view, right? Here, you guys can see the credentials and everything for the account. You can see 106,772. And then if we go over here, this is where we passed the challenge. And they sent me everything to actually, you know what I'm saying, the express funded account. Let me see where the email was, because it was an email. Look at that. Congratulations on becoming a top set funded trader. Another one, just like that. All right, we got another day in the gym. Right now, we got this ginger shot. I ain't gonna lie, there's probably no benefit in me taking this before I work out, but we're gonna do it anyway. Oh my God. I don't got water. Oh my God. Okay, that was, I think I did the job that I was looking for. I'm awake now. I'll go lie, I was not trying to work out. I honestly sat down. I laid in bed for a little bit after I got back from eating, bro, and I was like, damn, I want to sit here. This feels good. And then at that moment when I told myself that it feels good, that's when I realized I was like, yeah, I got to take my ass to the gym. Even if it's for a little bit, we got to go regardless. That's part of the reason why I took that little ginger shot. But yeah, I saw myself, at that moment I was like, yeah, I got to go, because you got to understand when your mind is going to want to do things that are going to keep you comfortable, whether that's not working out, whether that's smoking, whether that's drinking, whether it's not doing the things you're supposed to do. You're not doing them because you don't want to, because not doing them, doing nothing feels good. Once you realize that, once you have that awareness, you gotta stay away from those things that are gonna keep you from getting to that point. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what you know. But I ain't gonna lie, my mouth is still on fucking fire right now. It's been an overall good day so far. My day's coming to an end. It's already almost 7 o'clock. All I'm gonna really do after this is edit this video and eat. That's really it. It's been a good day, but let's finish this workout. All right, we just got out the gym. Just walking up so I can end this video off with a little view for you guys. I'm tired of shit. My body hurts, my leg hurts, my arms hurt. But we did what we came for, 1% a day. But overall, this is where we're gonna end the video. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video. If you made it to this point, I appreciate you more than ever. You guys know I don't get paid a lot for these videos. I make these videos to give value, to show you guys what it's really like, to show you the raw reality of somebody in their 20s that doesn't work a job, that works for themselves, trying to make a name for themselves, trying to build businesses, trying to build skill sets. And I want to take you guys along with the journey. I want to teach you guys what I'm doing, show you guys exactly what I'm doing to get to where I'm at. And I'm only going up. Lambos, Ferraris, penthouses, mansions, trips, they're all coming. Yachts, planes, it's all coming, I promise you that. One day at a time now. Passed the challenge today. That's 2 challenges in the last 2 weeks. Our YouTube check just hit yesterday. Everything's looking good. But with that being said, everyone stay safe, stay productive. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you join VIP too. VIP, we've been eating. Let them know in the comments.